Looking for an effective way to reduce stress and relax? Pocket Massage for Stress Relief by Clare Maxwell-Hudson is your perfect guide to learning massage techniques that you can apply anytime. Step-by-step full-color photographs and detailed instructions present more than 20 stress-relieving techniques. These methods combine essential oils with soothing massage to help alleviate tension, headaches, insomnia, and other stress-related ailments. Reach a new level of relaxation with Pocket Massage for Stress Relief. Clare Maxwell-Hudson offers you simple yet powerful techniques to relieve stress and improve your physical and mental well-being. It's time to take care of yourself in a practical and effective way. Published by DK Publishing, this first American edition was released on January 1st, 1996. The book is an English hardcover and spans 96 pages. Its compact dimensions make it easy to carry anywhere. Make relaxation a part of your daily routine. Get your copy and start enjoying a stress-free life. Follow us on at Starbook5 for more well-being tips. #Stress Relief, #Pocket Massage, #Wellbeing, #Clare Maxwell-Hudson, #Starbook5.